how to make Brazilian Phonk like DJ FKU, MXZI, Jmilton, and W Nebula. Yo, what's up everyone? It's Trey here. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to capture those dark, melodic DJ FKU vibes. The exact FLP for this project is available in the description, along with a fresh sample pack. Let's get into the sauce. Step 1. The tempo. Let's set the BPM to 130, the golden number for that funk bounce. Step 2. The piano. We're starting simple with a piano note using FL keys. Step 3. Counter notes. Let's add some counter melodies in the higher octaves to fill out the space. Step 4. Mini synth. Now let's add a mini synth for that nostalgic high energy excitement. Step 5. The rhythm. We're loading up the Flex plugin to establish our rhythm. Step 6. The main melody. We're using Citrus, the celestial preset, to craft a unique, haunting main melody. Step 7. Lead layering. Time to beef it up. We're using GMS to layer our leads. By the way, all of these are default FL Studio plugins. Step 8. The bass. Let's drop in a heavy bass to give the track some serious weight. Step 9. The kick. You already know, we need that hard-hitting kick. Haha. Step 10. The vocals. For the vocals, we're actually using Suno AI. It's a game changer. Click the link below to try it out for free.
Ela desce lento quando a luz apaga.
That's it, y'all. Before we hear the final results, remember the FLP and the sample pack are waiting for you in the description. And look at what's in this massive 16 gigabyte sample pack.
Na madrugada tu me prometeu que escuta isso daqui, isso daqui, isso daqui. Se dormir, vai tomar dormindo, vai tomar dormindo.
Vai noviano, se intimida, vem, joga com pressão. Joga rabeta pra lá, joga rabeta no chão.
Ela senta por cima gostoso, na sequência do sente trepa. Ela senta por cima gostoso, na sequência do sente trepa. Sente trepa, sente trepa, sente.
Brasil! Copiou? Pouso, bom.
This is crazy, from viral one-shots to popular acapellas and effects. You definitely gotta check this out. Use coupon code XUPINK at checkout. It's time limited, so better hurry. Also, if you want to connect with a community of over 1,000 producers, come join the Discord. It's the ultimate spot for free FLPs, drum kits, collabs, and getting feedback on your beats. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It truly means the world to me. Now, let's hear the final result.
Ela desce lento quando a luz apagar. Corpo colado, deixa o grave falar. Olhar malandro sabe provocar. No toque do DJ ninguém vai parar. Mão pra cima, perde o controle. Quando o grave bate, ela se solta e envolve. No escuro da pista, suor e flash. Hoje é noite quente. Desce, 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 desce sem parar. Bate, grave, faz tremer.